Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I apply gold leaf onto my watercolor artwork. I wanted to have a circle of gold behind the bird, so initially I used a pencil to sketch the circle. But you should be using something that is already circled instead, like this plastic container that I found. I slightly fixed the circle later on so that it's a crisp line and I can see where to apply the glue clearly. For the glue, I used speedball metal leaf adhesive size. I used a flat brush to apply the glue. Make sure that there are no puddles because it will ruin the gold leaf later on. When applying glue on the edges, make sure that you apply the glue slightly over the line so that the line will not be visible after you've put the gold foil. Allow the glue to dry for at least 30 minutes. I'm using an imitation gold leaf because it's much cheaper than the actual gold leaf. It's also my first time applying gold leaf onto my artwork, so it's better to experiment before buying actual gold leaf. I've applied the first piece and I used a slightly bigger flat brush to press onto the gold leaf so that it sticks onto the glue. You do not need to use an expensive brush because this is just for pressing purposes and not painting. Then I applied the second piece of gold leaf and tore the other half to be put at other places to fill in the gaps. When applying gold leaf, make sure that there is no wind nearby because it might blow your gold leaf away. Once you're done, use your flat brush to remove the unwanted gold leaf in circular motions. The paper that I'm using for this piece of artwork is the Baohong 300 GSM hot press watercolor paper. Once I'm done brushing away the gold leaf, I use a washi tape to clean up the area. Here is the end product and what it should look like once you're done. I haven't got my metal leaf sealer yet, but you have to seal the metal leaf with a metal leaf sealer. For this piece of artwork, you can purchase it on Etsy without the gold leaf. It's a digital download which is available on Etsy and I will link it in the description below. If you would like to see more, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.